Today we're going to work from this book, Imithe. So this will be the one we'll be pulling in there. I did put up a few links on there, by the way, for places that sell Irish books. There is one in the U.S. at least that I found in Minneapolis. And the nice thing about ordering in the U.S. is the shipping's a lot less. I tried just like if you order, it's up there, but it's Irish Books and Media. I don't remember the site name. And so if you go onto there, you can find it. If you're not able to get on there, let me know and I can get it to you, the link. But it's Irish Books and Media. And so I checked, like 4 books was $7 shipping, which is a lot better. I mean, they're not nearly as complete as like Litreacht is, but they do have a lot of learning books and books in Irish, and a lot more than they used to have. They have a lot of, I mean, originally they didn't used to have very many things in Irish, but I noticed now they have a whole section in Irish language. So,
I'm looking for, in case anybody knows it, well, video's old now, but there is a video of Eamon Kelly telling his stories, and I want to get included that.
Who's Eamon Kelly?
Ireland's greatest storyteller.
Well, I never heard of it. It's been a long time, but I never heard of it. Since I left.
That was wonderful.
I didn't even see anything over there advertising anything like that.
I meant to put my book of his stories in the museum display, and I didn't get it in there.
okay, the book we're using today is called Imithe by Ruairi Balia. It's the same guy who did Dún Water Ar Dart. It's a learner's book also. This one does not actually have a glossary in it at all, but it's simpler vocabulary. So again, these are good books if you want to try to pick them up and read them yourself, that are good ones to start with because the sentences are short, they use simple words. It's still Irish, it's just not fancy Irish, okay? So, hopefully we'll finish the lesson today, so okay. So we're going to try and work through the page. So first of all, name of the book's Imithe, which means gone, okay? All right. So first is the title of the first chapter is Icha Luch. Icha Luch. What does that mean in English?
Yesterday.
Wet night. Yeah.
Wet night.
Right, like yesterday. Right. Icha Luch, wet night. Number 2. Stop and Lena Ada Karana Arish.
What, the long line?
The long line.
Reach again?
Again.
Is that first word really stop like in English too?
Yeah. Stop. Stop in Irish, so not stop. So a long line.
Long line.
Karana.
Cars again?
Cars.
Yeah.
Traffic.
Yeah. So the long line of cars. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Number 3. Stop Paula Lee a Charhain agus Lisha Shear sa Siachan.
All these stops in his own car and
Something about a sheep farm.
here's something about a cop. No. See it from?
Oh, it's sitting.
Sat down at something.
Okay, sat, right.
Sat.
Let me see. Yeah. Okay. There were Cahir. 4. Visha ag chomainch an lá ar fad agus visha tirshach.
He had a long day and he was very
Close. Chomainch anyone? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Alright. Ibra Kuig. Ní raibh mhaith anois ach titimisteach an alaba. Okay,
There
good.
wasn't.
Right.
Now, but
He just
falling
fell
into
into
bed.
bed.
Okay.
Fell into bed.
Falling
But he
into
wasn't,
bed.
but now
Okay.
falling into bed.
Okay. Huh?
I fell into
Alright. Ibra Shay.
Dún sé
Rún sé a huile agus deis. Wait, let me read it first. Rún sé a huile agus deiste leis an maisteach a bhí ag bula go richimeach ar chorp agus ar inyoga an chair. So, rún sé a huile.
He closed his eyes.
Okay, actually, you guys need a 5-second rule. You have to let other people try. Okay.
Sorry about that.
Okay.
Don't say
So,
anymore.
rún sé a huile. When people get stuck, then you can. Fine, okay. Agus deiste leis an maisteach. Anyone?
With him.
Listen.
He listened to the rain. It was
Okay.
wet outside.
Okay. A bhí ag bula go rihamach.
The feeding to the, well, the rhythm, feeding of the rhythm of the water, I guess.
Chorp agus inyoga an char.
In the window of the car.
Out the
Okay.
window of the car, yeah. Porch, I don't know what that
Yeah.
is.
Okay. I know what to do. Let's see. Okay.
Don't tell me that word.
No. All right. Kathleen, why don't I have you read it? Okay. You want to read number 7 for us?
Okay. Gamal gamal, Bray, Tussie, Shay, Ectidum, Acula. Sheas, Jock, Sacunis, Dorica.
Okay, so everyone else gets to work out.
Slow, go
Slow.
Yeah, slow, go slow.
Everyone else.
And falling.
And then
Okay.
something in his, and he was going down, down,
In his sleep.
in the quietness of the dark.
What?
Okay, we'll get to there.
Quiet and dark as
Okay.
dark.
Give it a hook. Hula shed dini ag kaint ait egan.
He heard people
Saw
singing.
people, he heard
No,
people
no,
talking.
conscious talking.
Oh, talking.
Yeah.
Another word, ait.
Place.
Someplace.
Mhm.
Place.
Someplace, exactly. Okay. Ibar ani. Dosco she a huile agus deich she timpel de hintas.
He opened his eyes and looked around him.
Yeah.
With something.
Yeah. See it? Paper's right there. Okay. Yeah. Ibar a J. Visha in a gargin cool.
He was in the garden.
Okay. 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 Ibar a hinjeg. Via van chele agus a walk on.
His wife
His
was
son there.
Yeah. Ibar a doyeg, number 12. Bhí an ghrian ag tainmh agus bhí siad ag ithe dínéir faoi farasol mór dearg.
There was something there. They were eating dinner under
On a
parasol.
parasol.
Red.
Big red.
Big
Big
red.
red umbrella.
Okay. There were 3 jeg. Iall a chríle háthas nuair a chonig sé a wach.
Well, his heart stopped when he saw his son.
Okay.
He was very happy in his
Okay.
heart when he saw his son.
Ibar a cahar jeg, number 14. Dosco sé a bhéil chun rud éigen a rá leis, ach go tuban thosaí an telefón ag bula iste sa teach.
Open the mouth.
He woke and nothing would come out.
Thing.
He couldn't say a word.
To say with
And then the telephone started ringing inside of the house.
Okay, we're cuig jeg. Sandra ar san farog, agus thosaí sé gré a drón tí.
Said the young man, August, and he went, Bussy, Shay,
Ran
Egg, Red, and he
down.
went. And he went running down towards the house.
All right, Ibar a sé jeg, number 16. Deach Paul in a dhé go bránach.
Oh,
He
Lord.
saw,
Close, look, yeah.
he looked,
Sad.
Yeah, he was sad. Dick, Paul, and he looked behind him.
Okay.
He was sad.
Ibar a seach jeg, number 17. Bawá leis cúpla fócail a bheith ige leis.
he looked
good
up.
with him, a couple of words to me, on her, and him.
Bawá leis.
You like
Yeah.
to speak to her?
Yeah. Okay. I figured out a better way to make this all work, but okay.
No, what about the last
Got
word?
work.
The last one.
Bawá leis.
Yeah.
He would
Okay. Water and dark, in a way.
In a way.
Oh, so he dies and rejoins.
No, they don't let you know the characters as well before they kill them off.
Oh, good. Is that your definition of a happy story, John?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I thought Murder on the Dot was very happy.
You didn't. I didn't get to the bad part of it.
Well, we never finished.
Neil never dies.
We never knew who the murderer was.
Yeah, really.
I hold to the happy belief that he died. Thanks, wicked.
Okay. First of all, the name of this book here is called Imithe. And it's related to the word imi, which means leave or go away. Okay. So